Question of our exercise 3.4 is question number 24. It's asking us to find the solution for x. So the first question says LGX equals to 0.61. That means what will be the value of x if we give 0.61 a power to base 10? So we have discussed this in the previous question that if you want to take rid of this LG, you just put a base 10 to under whatever number you have on the right side. That's a simple way of converting the logarithmic equation into the exponential equation. So if LG x equals to 0.61, that means x is equals to 10 power 0.61. We have done this in exercise 3.2 and in exercise 3.1 as well, when we were converting from exponential from index form into log form, right? So if we reduce this using calculator, we will get x equals to 4.073. Second part says ln x whole square equals to 3. We take square root so that we get simplified value of ln x. Ln x becomes positive negative square root of 3. So if I need the value of x, I need to cancel ln. So if I cancel ln, I take e power on both sides, e base on both sides. So x will be equal to e power square root of 3, or x will be equal to e power square root negative square root of 3. You can simplify both of these values, or otherwise you can leave your answer here. C part is ln x equals to lg2. Now this LG is not with a variable, it's with a constant. I can find the value of it using calculator. That would be 0.3010. So LG2 is equals to 0.3010. I find that value. But in order to cancel this ln x, this ln, I take e base on both sides. So this ln and e get cancelled because e is exponential system, ln is logarithm. They both are inverse of each other. So x becomes equal to e power lg2. E power lg2 means e power 0.3010. If you want a simplified value of it, run it through the calculator, otherwise it's fine till this point. Then we have a product of ln2 with ln4x equals to 3. ln2 can have a value, right? So I will just divide ln2 on the other side. So ln4x will be equal to 3 divided by ln2. The value of ln2 is 0.3010. We know that. So 3 divided by 0.3010 is 9.965. For calculating 4x, we need to get rid of the ln. We take inverse of the log. Inverse of log is exponential function. We take e base on both sides. So we have 4x here, ln and e got cancelled, and e power 0.965 on the right side. We need the value of x, so we divide it with 4 on both sides. F part says lgx minus 2 is equals to lg3 whole squared. I can put the value of lg3. lg3 is 0.477. We put square to it, that's 0.227. Now on the left I have lgx minus 2. I need to cancel the lg part, so it's the common logarithm. Common logarithm has base 10, so in order to cancel it, I will take base 10 on both sides. Base 10 and lg will get cancelled, so I will have x minus 2 equal to 10 power 0.227. So 10 power 2 to 0.227 is 1.689. We add 2, this minus 2 will go on the right side, become plus 2. So x will be 3.689. Last part that I'm solving here for you is lg 2x plus 1 equals to log of 3 to base 3. Now log of any number to the same base is equals to 1. So log 3 to base 3 is equals to 1. Now lg 2x plus 1 is equals to 1. If I remove lg from here, this 1 will go in the power of 10. So I will have 10 power 1 equals to 2x plus 1. 2x will be equal to 9, or x will be equal to 9 divided by 2.